my bougie friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha here at my bougie farmhouse, and today we have something exciting and a little bit different. As you know, it's wedding season right now, and if you're a bride or you're just someone who loves beautiful things, then this video is going to be for you. You guys, I just found out there was such a thing as wooden flowers. But apparently, it's becoming really popular in the DIY scene, especially for people that's looking for a sustainable option. With wooden flowers, you literally have you'll have your flowers for years. I remember when we got married and literally my flowers literally lasted for probably like 2 days before they died. And then all I have is pictures at this point. I have pictures and memories of what was. And you know, today in today's world and thinking about being sustainable, that's a thing of the past. Did you know that you can get wooden flowers? Having something that's going to be not only sustainable but also something I can keep for a long time and still be beautiful. Girl, did you even know that you can literally put drops inside of it so that way it can smell like whatever kind of rose or orchid or whatever you want it to smell like, but it still stay forever? So this one part I'm really excited about. I'm really excited to dive into this, try it, unbox it. You know what, we're gonna do an unboxing together. How about that? So today we actually teamed up with Sola Wood Flowers to show you what a wooden bouquet would look like. You guys, I'm so excited about this, and I want to give a big thank you to Sola Flowers for sponsoring this video. And so let's go ahead and just get into it. So when you get it in the mail, it's gonna come like this, and I'm gonna be very gentle so I make sure I don't get into it, because I honestly don't have a clue how this is gonna open up. So that's the exciting part about it. This is new for you and for me. All right, here we go. All right, let's take a look at this. Comes packaged really well, I can tell. It's so pretty. Stop. Look at this. But hold on, you gotta see it. Look at how it comes. Oh, it's so adorable. I cannot believe this. Now, I must say, I feel bad because I honestly didn't know what to expect. I saw the website, but I thought this was something you have to put together. I didn't know it just comes all done already. I don't even want to touch it. It's so pretty. Oh, so it comes really well packaged. It's labeled on there when you get it that it's fragile. Oh my god. And it smells amazing. Oh, now it is a little smashed up, which is to be expected. It's been sitting in a box and moving around. But oh my goodness. How are these wooden? We need absolutely more details. This is stunning. I'm not even playing. Can you see the details in that? Girl, I'm so mad. My cousin just got married. She needed this. Can you see all the details in it? You see the roses, but then you also see a different type of roses, what looks like little carnations. Of course, you got your eucalyptus here. Oh my God, this thing is stunning. I don't even know if y'all can truly, and look at the handle. Now I wish my nails was done. Look at the handle. Every bit of this is just as stunning as you would expect out of a bride. Girl, just imagine. Can we imagine? I'm not even playing. I am completely surprised by how gorgeous this is. Like, if you have seriously been looking for something that's gorgeous, it's not even hard. So for the fact that these are wooden, oh, we're gonna look this up. Hold on. It's time for Tasha to be a detective, because this thing right here is way too gorgeous to literally be wood. So we're gonna figure out what it's made out of. So let's look up this company. Let's see. I love the fact that it came so protected. It smashed a little bit on the top, but that could have completely just been in shipment, and not, of course it was not them at all. It was in shipment. This top has like serious dents in it, so whatever. I love that you have the petal shapes. The arrangement itself is super gorgeous. stunning. Literally, and even to the little baby's breath, you got it absolutely perfect. But let's see. All right, so it's already on sale. You can get them on sale, but let's see about shop by theme. They have a bunch of different types. You can shop by themes. Let's see. You can do dyed assortments. Oh, look at these. Do you see these colors? These are gorgeous. Oh, think about that for like fall. Absolutely gorgeous. I can do some bouquets, and you know I love to do like my own like wreaths for the door. This thing would be absolutely gorgeous. So no wonder DIY. Oh, look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. And look at the price. The price is so cheap. Girl, if you would buy this now, like $8 compared to $45 on a normal, it's 80% off. That's crazy. All right, we need to figure out more about. So let's go to Sola Wood Flowers, and then I'm sure there's an about. Yep, see, they do custom orders, wedding flowers. They do so much. They'll last forever, or we'll replace them for you for no cost. Girl, yes. Look at this. Do you see this? Oh, first of all, that's gorgeous. For a wedding, absolutely gorgeous. I love the flowers. Let me just say, oh, so pretty. I'm sorry, I'm fangirling here. Let me get to where I wanted to see more about. We need about facts. Oh, you can even get a free sampler. That's cool. So that way you can see whether you like it or not. Try it before you buy it. Here we go. How are solar flowers made? Solar flowers are made by hand. Oh, y'all do a great job. Out of Ciliopith. Girl, I don't know. We're going to have to ask ChatGPT to read that one. Out of Ciliopith, it's a soft, fast-flowing wood. Oh, it's a soft wood. Wow. And I mean, look at the details, y'all. Look at this. A soft wood. Oh, and I believe it because look at how it moves. And then once it's turned into flexible sheets, the flowers are then hand folded into various shapes. Our entirely handmade process is why our flowers are so different and can be formed to replicate live actual flowers. So you mean to tell me that you really do this by hand? This is amazing and absolutely gorgeous. And this is not just because they're paying me. This is like, if you could feel this, like I'm floored. I won't even lie. These are absolutely gorgeous. I'm excited to have them. They're made of a sustainable path, which is soft, fast-growing plant. It's a soft, fast. I can't even talk. It's a soft, fast-growing plant. They're soft and they're almost foam-like. They feel like a foam. That's why I was like, are these really wood? I can't believe it's wood. They feel like a foam flower. Have you felt those like faux flowers where they kind of have like I won't say a felt to them because it's not like furry, but they're just like soft little flowers. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm so excited. This is going in the living room. I already know it. And let's see, we offer flowers both with bark, known as skin flowers, or without the bark. Let's see how we care for them. They're organic material, so they're not foam. They will mold if left contained for an extended period of time. As soon as you receive your product, just open it to let the moisture escape and prevent mold. So these are virtually like problem-free. Girl, this is amazing. You know what? I am floored. I will say that. This is absolutely amazing. I'm so excited to have this. You guys, if you have been looking and wanting to get your own, go to solaflowers.com and pick you up some. As you can see, they're on an amazing sale right now. I'm going to go ahead and leave it linked in the description below. And I will also list the exact one I have, but it says built for me, so I don't know if you can exactly get that, but I'll go ahead and try to like tell you what I have in mind, so that way I'll go ahead and describe what I have in mind, so that way if you're looking to replicate this exact same thing, then you can go ahead and do that. Girls, if you know somebody that is getting married today, tell them save their money. This is not only a more affordable price, but it's absolutely stunning. And it will last them forever without being like that dry, like hanging it upside down so it can dry. No, you just have these gorgeous flowers that will stay the same way forever. Let me tell you, this is not a bouquet that you toss. Keep this bouquet, okay? Nobody gets this. No tossing it to the bridesmaid. No, ma'am. This is ours because it's so stinking gorgeous. I really am floored. I'm sorry. All right, you guys, I want to thank you all for being here today. And if you want to grab your own, go ahead to solaflowers.com and grab your own. I'm going to talk to them and I will let you know before. If I get a discount code, I will go ahead and link it down below. If not, they're still on an amazing sale. So you guys just go ahead to solaflowers.com and pick yours up. If you know a bride, if you know a blushing bride, right now is the perfect time to grab them up and say, hey, I know we can get some gorgeous flowers. As we saw together, they have a ton of gorgeous colors. So you don't have to get muted if you don't want to. You can get something that's truly just made for you and for your bridal party. You guys, I thank you all for watching and I will see you guys next time. You guys, this is what the flowers look like in the sunlight. Absolutely stunning. Like, still stunning. The colors themselves, you get blush, you have your beige, you have your dark mauve color. Girls, these are stunning. You need to grab them up. They're perfect for any bride or anyone who just wants a sustainable, gorgeous bouquet in their house. I wanted again, I'm sorry. I got distracted by the flowers again, but I want to give a special thank you to Sola Wood Flowers for sponsoring this video and for this gorgeous bouquet. You guys grab it up. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to leave everything that you need to know linked in the description box below.